Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Apple iPhone 7 or 8 4.7 inches case cover. This case cover comes with an air bubble cushion. Design helps to absorb shock and effectively mitigate impact. It's a shock absorbent. Nice. Raise 4-point rear guard protected the camera and back on the flat surface. It's in camera protection on board, as you can see. It's precision cutouts, easy access to all ports, buttons, speakers, and camera. Now, let's switch in and assemble the phone. That's easy as you can see. Only slide it in position and you have a soft TPU. Protect your iPhone from scratches and bumps. Now it has a perfect grip on board that provides perfect grip and texture to the phone that's comfy in hands. Yeah, soft TPU is so easy to use and it's easy to install and it makes a good haptic. It feels good really and it matches. It's really nice and smooth and your phone will be smart and fast in position, as you can see. And so many protection and you can see what's under it. Nice and easy. So, nice products. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. Oh, and the camera. And see you next time. Soon.